In this video, we will learn about the order of evaluation for the arithmetic operators that we learned about in the last lecture. Before we dive into the technical details, let's take a look at a math example. Pretend you're back in high school algebra class and solve the following problem. 2 plus 5 times 3, but no cheating, no computer or calculator. You can do this in your head or using a pen and paper. Did you come up with a value of 21? If so, believe it or not, your answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 17. This is because of the order of operations, otherwise known as PEMDAS, short for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. The multiplication of the 5 times 3 happens first, and then the 2 gets added. We can verify this by outputting the result of the expression 2 plus 5 times 3 to the console. When we run the code, notice that 17 was output. If we want the addition to occur first, we can put the 2 plus 5 part inside of parentheses to force it to evaluate first. When we run the code, notice that we get 21 since 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and then 7 times 3 is 21. Here's a chart showing the arithmetic operators in C++ and the order that they're evaluated in. Operators at the top of this chart get evaluated first, and ones at the bottom get evaluated last. The postfix increment and decrement operators get evaluated first. Then comes the prefix increment and decrement operators. After that come the multiplication, division, and modulus operators. Next come the addition and subtraction operators. Finally come the plus equals, minus equals, times equals, divide equals, and modulus equals operators.